Your Philips DreamWear mask with Precise-Fit Cushion has been selected specifically to fit your unique facial features. The mask consists of a frame, Precise-Fit Cushion, and headgear. Align the triangles on the nasal cushion to the ones on the mask frame and press until you hear it click into place. Insert the elbow into the mask frame. Push the tubing quick release into the elbow. The quick release lets you easily disconnect the tube, which is helpful if you get up to use the bathroom during the night. To add the headgear, position the mask with the cushion facing forward. Look for the R and L symbols on the headgear arms. Push the R headgear clip through the mask frame loop on the right and the L clip on the left. When you're done, the R and L symbols should face outwards. The Philips Respironics logo should be on the outside and the DreamWear logo on the right. As an option, you can add soft fleece wraps around the sides of the frame for added comfort. Position the seams on the outside, away from your face. There is also an optional headgear available for people who prefer one made entirely of fabric. For best performance, the mask must be seated correctly. A well-fit mask and cushion will help you enjoy the freedom and comfort of DreamWear.